Hello everybody, it's your girl Tasha Fierce, and today we are talking about September's Ipsy bag. This will actually be my last Ipsy bag video subscription. The next video I'm going to do like my favorite products from Ipsy and some of the ones I didn't really like because I'm getting a new box subscription. So let's talk about the bag. It is space, it's constellations. I love space. If you've ever seen my end card, it has stars on it. My nickname growing up was Ziggy Stardust or Ziggy Star, kind of based off of David Bowie, but we won't talk about that. But this bag is adorable. It has a cute little crystal on it, and the inside is actually dark blue, like the night sky. So the products that I got in this bag is some leave-in hair mask. It says that it's for all hair types and it's strength and moisture. So okay, the scent is kind of clean, and it says spray throughout freshly washed and damp hair with focus on mid-length and ends, comb through and do not rinse out. And then you can air or blow dry and style your hair as usual. So I like to color my hair a lot, so this will be nice. I mean, look, it's already colored. I mean, my hair's pretty soft and stuff, but you always need a hair mask. The next product is Nature's Cartel nail polish. So this is actually the second nail polish product that I've gotten from Ipsy, and this is in the color Rose Gold. Okay, it's a pretty color. Definitely needs to be shaken up a bit. So it's kind of like a, I don't know how I would describe this, kind of like a rose gold, like the actual definition of rose gold. I'm just gonna put it on my nail. I've just taken off my gel nail manicure, but well, it's not really showing. But yeah, that's the color. I think this is really pretty. Can be used for all seasons, really. Maybe not winter if you're kind of like you like to do blues and grays for winter, but definitely spring, summer, and fall. And I really like that color. Oh, see, okay, I wiped it off on a paper towel. It's pretty. All right. And then the next product is a eyeshadow by City Limits IBY Beauty. I like the box. It's pretty shiny. So it says IBY Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. And it's cruelty-free, vegan. And it's in this cute little flip up, and it's in the color Fire and Ice. So this looks a bit green, which is not what I would expect from a color called Fire and Ice. But okay, I see what they're doing here. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my finger. There we go. So it kind of has like a green overtone, and then when I put it on my hand, it's a bit brown. So I think it's kind of like those pearlescent. So you kind of have like the green and then the brown. I like that. I don't normally do anything with greens, but I kind of like how it's a brown color, and that'll be pretty. I really think that'll be pretty. All right, and then the next product is a highlighter, and I can't get enough of highlighters. As long as they're shiny and gold, I like them. So this one is OFRA Madison Miller, in the color Sea Shimmer. So in the packaging, I think it's really cute. So let's take my fan brush. I don't really like to test highlighters with my fingers because that's not how I apply them. So I'm gonna use my fan brush. I don't have any makeup on right now, so this will actually be pretty good to see how it goes on. Okay, so it's not that pigmented, but you know, sometimes if you're trying to look, okay, I lied, just kidding. Okay, the light kind of doesn't do it justice, but it's there. It is very much there. It's kind of like a whiter highlight. Yeah, it's a whiter highlight. So because I don't actually have all my makeup on, it's a little deceiving, but I think if I had my full face of at least foundation, it'll show up a bit differently. But I think, you know, if I'm just going out and I really don't want to put foundation on and I'm like, you know what, let me do some, you know, some highlights, which might actually look weird if you think about it, because it'll be shiny in like random places. But yeah, I like this color much better than the other one that I got, because it was more of a, where is it? Well, it said it was a highlighter, but it's a blush. Actually, these two would go together pretty well. So this is from another Ipsy bag that I got. So it has blush and a bronzer. The bronzer's too light for me right now, so we'll see what happens in the winter. But this one, I think these three products together would do pretty good. So if you want to see me do a video using these products and then whatever foundation I have, give me a thumbs up. That'll be a fun video to do. Honestly, even if I don't get enough thumbs up, I'll probably do it anyway because I like to make my videos. And then the final product, this was actually the one, when you get your Ipsy subscription, sometimes you can pick, if you remember the day, you can pick a product that'll go in the bag. And this one I picked myself. It is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It says for radiance and softening. So the little insert, it says about it, it is what is best about K-beauty, which is Korean beauty styles. This gel-like mask can be used in the morning or overnight to give your skin a major hydration boost. It has watermelon, seaweed, and pumpkin fruit extracts to brighten, protect, and even out skin texture. Tip: mix up the formula for a wash-off mask. Tip: mix up the formula. If you want to use it for a wash-off mask, apply all over your face, let sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse. And then for overnight use, pat onto skin to absorb and rinse off in the morning. So I like those type of masks. Those are really fun. And ooh, look at that. Okay. I don't want to tip it. It might, you know, it might drip. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, this is plastic. That's a plastic insert. Okay, but you see how it just swirled like that? I'm not gonna take off the plastic all the way because I don't want it to spill out. Oh, okay. It's a like a little disc. I can put it back on. Oh my god, this smells delicious. But see, I'm biased. I like watermelon. It's very smooth. I like this. Okay. I see what you're doing, K-beauty. Oops, I got it in my highlighter. I'm gonna have to wash my face off. I like it. It smells good. Now I kind of want some watermelon. But okay, that is the products that I got in September's Ipsy bag. Like I said in the beginning, this is actually my last Ipsy bag subscription unboxing video. My next one will be talking about the products that I've gotten that I've liked. I'm going to try to make that a really short video because with Ipsy bag, it's been a year subscription and you get about 5 products per bag, so that would be a lot of products, so I'm just going to narrow it down to probably my top 7. Anyway, okay, so I will see all of you in the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!